What's going on, YouTube? We back. Finally got the Cutlass out and drove it today, so see, I got it outside in this little spot at the work. Getting ready to head home, put this thing up, but I think I'm gonna go fill it up with some better gas. That's probably what I'm gonna do before I go ahead and take it to the house. Outside in the woods. So many animals in the woods behind us, because for some reason they thought it was a good idea to build a dealership in the middle of nowhere. But anyway, yeah, I got to figure out a few things with it. I'm still like I think I'm about to try like a better better gas in it and get that figured out. I've been still dealing with a few issues with the car, but as far as like driving, I drove it from my house to up here, and I got to figure out my whole window situation. This window right here is a little off, and I know they make like a bushing kit and stuff to fix those, so that's coming soon. So I'm about to try to roll it up before I head home, because it was a little warmer earlier, but right now it's kind of like getting cooler. It's like 55 degrees outside, and I don't want to be on the highway at like 55 degrees. So yeah, I see the car is outside and I got it running, but let's see if I can see it any better outside. Y'all see, no more white smoke. We got it almost dialed in. I think I'm gonna try one more time on getting the carburetor dialed in, just one more time before I really like just leave it where it is. I think it just needs, I'm really just gonna take my time with it, probably do it tonight off camera. But as far as everything else is starting to work out, we're getting the diesel's gotten a lot better. I turned down my idle screw. I got that a little better. The idle screw is a little bit better on the throttle body, so I mean not throttle body, what am I talking about, the carburetor. So I pulled that down a little bit and that helped. So I think I just need to get that air fuel mixture right. So that's next what we're working on. Yeah, made it outside in the Cutlass. I'm about to get on this highway, get y'all a little bit of that footage, show y'all how I run up and down the highway. So we'll cut y'all back on once we get on the highway. So we're on the highway where this thing run good too. That steering wheel ain't got no shaking. Only thing is, y'all hear that noise. Oh, y'all can hear that down there. I think that's the that little exhaust, little check valve, whatever, making noise. That ain't a big deal. I'll probably just hang it, pop it wide open, that little flapper. And I mean, I'll probably take the, I don't know, I may just leave it on. I just give it some nostalgia. Every old school got a check engine light on, so we probably just leave it. But I don't think my dieseling is a timing issue, because it fires up every time. It don't run bad. I mean, it runs like glass. I mean, the car runs fantastic. Only thing I can think of, the issue that I'm having, is, like I said, my air fuel problem. But that's not a big deal. We'll take care of it as time goes on. We fixed the turn signals. We got them working. Y'all see the turn signals are working. We just had to replace the repeater switch. It needed replaced, so that's good. Everything is working. Little car making great progress right now, so we're just gonna keep grinding on it. And we got another car at the crib, man. My son, man, I'm super proud of him, man. He came to me. He really wanted a truck, so I told him, I said, son, I'm not spending any more of my money on buying you another car. If you can orchestrate the deal, find you a truck, we'll get you a truck. I said, but trucks are really expensive. No matter what year they are, trucks normally come at a higher price than a car. But we got the Camaro sold for a great price, bought him a truck for a great price, even made a little money on buying the truck. So, and the truck works out for both of us anyway, because if we need the truck, I can do truck stuff with it now. So that kind of killed two birds with one stone. So yeah, we got a new truck. It ain't new. We bought him a 2008 Silverado. Just two-wheel drive truck. You know, it's crew cab, what he wanted, so he can fit some friends in there and whatnot, instead of trying to squeeze in that little bitty Camaro. so far the truck's been good. I know a few things I gotta do to it. Gotta do an oil pan leak on it. Everybody knows that. We're gonna fix the oil pan. It's got a 2-inch lift on the front when they try to level it out, but I'm gonna take that out. Just put it even, and then we'll put new door handles on it, put the black badges on it, and then he should be pretty good. He wants to do his wheels black, but we're not gonna do them black. We're just gonna leave them the way they are. It's got the new model Tahoe 22s on it, so that's a plus as well. I'll show y'all that when we get to the house. But right now, man, I'm just giving y'all a quick video showing y'all we out and about in the Cutlass, and this thing drives so good. Pulling about 65, 70. See what it'll do. Yeah, I mean, that thing running too, like I said, smooth as glass. I really, really like this car, but I will be getting the MC. You know, I'm gonna manifest that, and it's gotta be a T-top. We're gonna keep manifesting that new Monte Carlo T-top. We're gonna just keep, you know, manifesting. But that one, like I say, it's gonna be already ready to go. It ain't getting nothing but some wheels and some music, and that's it. But you'll see, we're gonna finish eating up this highway, make our way to the house, change lanes, and kind of just figure out what's left on this car besides the paint, the top, and just. We're keeping the 307 till it quit. Man, this little motor runs so good. Transmission running good. We got a little interior stuff we need to do. Definitely got to put a radio in here. I got to get this carpet out of here as well. So, like I said, we got a little bit of stuff left, but we cut y'all back on. We get to the gas station. We're gonna put us some 100% gas in here because I had a subscriber say, you know, just try better gas. So. And everything's so watered down now with this gas, so we're gonna look for a shop with 100% gas, and we're gonna go ahead and pop that in there and see what it does. But I'll tell y'all what, man, this traffic is no joke. So I'm gonna get off here and hit y'all back up when we get to the gas station. Well, I was gonna get y'all some footage at the gas station, but we had to get back to the house because she's starting to make a noise on me. I think my water pump taking a shit. So, listen to that. It sounds like my water pump bearing is giving out. So, definitely want to check that. So, it's definitely right here in the serpentine. So, we got to get that figured out. Hey, what are you doing? We got to get that figured out ASAP. So, that's gonna be moral story of my life with these old cars. I hear it. And I gotta get my exhaust from tapping the down floor. So it's one thing after another, but you know, we just kinda gotta, you know, go with it. Anyway, man, we finna dive into that, and hopefully it is the water pump bearing. Cause I'm gonna just go, that's the only piece of the cooling system I had replaced, so I'm gonna strip it down and go ahead and get that replaced. Truck. Show y'all my son's truck, man. We'll strip that down, get it replaced, and then go from there. But yeah, it sounds pretty gnarly, but ain't no lights on, so I just think the shaft bearing is giving out on it, so that's something we finna look into really quick. But I appreciate y'all for watching the video. The Cutlass is alive. So we're gonna actually see if that bearing is loose on there, and hopefully that's just the case. So y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, and on to the next video and fixing my rattling Cutlass.